Many are Ghana for the church of Bibia Oshami. Did you say about the Adumti will be okay? Said your mom who know internet and a percent have to cry. And also in this table, sometimes it assess and also it may have to cry. In Tiana Modia Chemi. And Tina, you didn't come away, come be a say and I perceive more you call. And for Libya and on Facebook. Yana news agencies and Omudi Brebre and Sano. Ayana Casa did I sing in Yana Sabi Yana and Tessie. And to be here say, yes, we are Ghana free. As San Air Comayan, who being here saying, never be seen near Jonas Akasanko. Nasadi I catch say, Casa, ewo to me, Casa de crack and Yemunu, name soon the Akoso. What is in Tiana news soon be Binaya and Ebano. Mina Kunya is making Canina and Tiana Casana and Dasosar. Let me screenshot it. Na mahunu de akoso na ma yese me no ba be de e ba bisua ho na musumu hunu se se da bia betena ka kire mo na nya se ada de bi na yese but we know what we are doing, we know what we are telling you na so ya twe wadwe akoso se ebe yi o enye yi o gina kasa so kasa na ebo wi ase kasa na be se wi ase enti kasa na be se wi ase kasa be na ya na de bia betena ha e kan wasam kire mo na abede e o mother tongue ni pe bia ufri ebusu bia mu no ukuta kasa bia ya na very powerful. Anase emudu yana ye wakase bia ya ana mame no mutaka train because ye mame no spend time with us more. Aisha kokona the chickens also spend time with their mother more. All of the animals spend time with their mother more. What you say empty picking mother tongue and a bonica se bia babe so it is telling you say oh boy dey anase ye nyina ye free and maybe ase ene bae what you say emti ba besua ho ade sisi na ye hu kasa kro bo ade di jaye emti na ye bre sa kasa nti na ye hu ntimi toye no na ya hwechi akwan esanse so ba beto kasa bia ye se ye friend abeda e wo so ntimi hu abeda untimi ma be se ye se kasa bi da wa ye abeda wa bra hu enti se untimi ti abeda dia then where is it? What you say o abeda nsino se wa ba beja tum se eno ni problem eno na ye wo dadwene. What you say, Ubra ko banyina no e kasa bia untimeni obo adenka na e bia bre bia ubra no otimi a kire wase. What you say, hentu hwe Ghana de ekoso nyina ye mpanyifo ne momo ye nyina na it is because we don't have that mother tongue. And say mother tongue na mekwansa you can't lie about it, you cannot fake it. What you say, enti ase kasa na ekwemu ni de I say father tongue, I say papa tongue. Enti edi e bone e prepare what you say intuition Ghana leaders nyina ya na mema ya na etaye leaders what you say but we share abrofo na mostly no so no almost emataye on leaders what you say oh no omo no be kono ema na shesu mase eno mo advice Queen Elizabeth mu nyina mo shisha esumase no mo abrofo mi so mu nyina mo ye baako what you say enti ma US UK ni ade ni je watete ni na rehwa omo nyina mo ye baako ena yenso nyina so bi mo so ye baako. What you say? Intiba be shemfuni bi eda ho a kire ye say kasa bi sha say o say de etiase na say that bi am ka chem say mri bi amfuni bi beto mensa ho na say mark bi beto mensa o be betrem say ye ba be sua ho ade no so ye kasa what you say kasa bi ana menti ase nti mantimi ama metrem ase enu nti ma so say mo so mo hwe sa kasa na ase na so na mo ho a wo hu say you have a tax, you have a spiritual tax. What you say ye ni ba sa ase we all have spiritual tax enti da chiama no wo tattoo bi o mensa ho tattoo nya bone kasa spiritual tattoo no boni ni bete kasa ase. What you say omo mu nye tattoo mpori ana wotumo de omo ye bad class omo my tattoo. What you say enti tattoo no boni ni just know what you write, know what you print on your skin. What you say that is what it is telling you. Me aje ma betre mu spiritual to me nsa ho me ni be free me try dey ni free me nsa ho e be to me nsa 13th May and be to me nsa ho o calculate figures na say ma try numbers no and you calculate numbers now. It is telling you say 1 + 7 = 4. Me na foundation. What you say? And I mean this my 5 physical. 4 + 5 or never more 9. My organic number is 9. And it is date no figures about out no esame up to 9. And the Bible shall so if you need a better means on so na yashim esuade. Na me kyerɛ mo sɛ mfoni bɛtɔ me nsa ho some time ago bia na me ba bɛkyerɛ adeɛ me kyerɛ adeɛ no wie no ɛna mfoni no ɛyɛ den ɛfiri me nsa ho saa mark ya muhwe ni yi me da to me page no so dada but we deɛ munya konya no makohwe ni yi enti marks me ba bɛkyerɛ mo adeɛ bi ɛfa marks ho ebeto me nsa me ni belt bias design bia won meka se ebia emia me nsa ana se me city belt no na ayesa da bi we mi gina ho me nsa gumachi de yansa me tise me nsa ho hyehye me koyi me nsa me kohwe no na adi beda me nsa na me twato me phone so enti da chi ama no we ni tattoo bia beda me nsa dem hu no wa he akwese moon we akwese star. It is about the moon and the stars. What I say, the moon watches over the stars. What I say, so when we talk about stars, I came from these stars. They are sisters, and I'm one the stars are more into ancestors. So the stars represent our mothers, ancestors. So we all come from the stars. So we are all stars. When you be who be say on stars, we are all stars. And at the that moon, no say I say eyebrow, and into me. What I say, it represented the arc above us, arc doom, and only last. What I say, sanity. And I share symbol say war down here. I question akudie. On say I show movies na, films na. I want to akudie be I say adi na akọ chocolate dan tintin bi so na akọlọkọ ebi ahoma bi na sumwa na nipa na twe ahoma no de aforo. Sa de na etimi sa to the wall. Etimi to the huku. What I say, enti akudie. What I say, symbols no na minyandi kodu. The real originating meaning of this akudie no. Say the moyenya we as akudie na menti ase, but I know say akudie. What I say, ye de kwako. What I say, to be cut to chromoso no. Utimi tupi ebe lokia no de free to konumepi. Sanity. And our shell lines here the data means some here. Means son who are he. Intuition lines here the data means some here. I question gattes and ramps. What I say, I question gattes and ram deep lines now who know I question gattes and a light ones and I question ramps. Okan gattes na unya 5. Okan ha gattes no so unya 5. 5 plus 5. Bema 10. 1 plus 0 bema 1. Me a body. What I say, me a body. O can rams no so 4 na rams no can 4. O add 4 plus 4 so o ba benya 8. What I say 8 ye eternal, boni 8 ye eternal. What I say, yes we do ye kasa 8 no so we will know what it stands for. And eternal means you don't die, you have to go and come. You have to rotate inside the dome. Free dome name. What I say 8 ye eternal, boni could do 8. I'm a God. What I say, Bruni numerical identity code God 8 because almost 8 is unique. 8 and say eternal. Eternal cry eternal the entronisa 8 in the entronisa. Meaning say the 8 HM say eternal. Bruni 8 is not eternal. What I say, into the 4 plus 4 where a ramps here and the ramps here now. Unya 8. Who and the gattes here, Unya 10. 10 plus 8, bema 18. 1 plus 8 bema 9. My organic number is 9. Intuition date na the see na 13th 1 plus 3 bema 4. 5th month May into and so bema 9. My organic number is 9. What I say? Into also gattes and the rams on my 9. I also gattes and the rams on my 9. Can be 18. 1 plus 1 plus 8 bema 9. What I say? In time I catch him say, I don't fear to die. Meaning say my eternal human being. I know the skin I'm going to pick up. What I say, my qualified. Until we tattoo be in some another chimbiano. Tattoo we and our baby whom in some. What I say, so penalty, Timontion so. We a spiritual symbol. What I say, until I heard your cost. I may chamo say, you know, we almost disconnected on home. What I say, na me chamo say you and we almost disconnected on way for assassin at swallow. All because omu muja, omu sabody, omu anko and kakwe or ton young conco shidja. Enti emre bi ba me baba yes akwankyere na mamoni nyina no. Enkofo ya mu hu just omu hu abede. Ana mo amutem nyina mudu amfa abede ne kyere omu. Na mo ka de da ho kyerem say omu hu kasa we ya na. Omu nja de omu ye na. Omu bi hu de be ye omu. Kachere womu because omu hu pe na okatira mo so munya no mo nya pe omu kokoship abobia omu shimusi no be kwakoyare academ na emu ano ho ato womu me baba yes akwanchensam say spiritual sickness be hit Ghana anya go na midi what I say we munya no disconnect omu they have failed the reincarnation rule doni na yo musawo meet omu ko meetie eno mo fa so every body at the end of Bonatu meat and no fast no or must say body into Munano or more disconnect your home. About the Osini law and the law, and you rule, until to soon go from Sanfa, until what open our mouth, and how they send a body. Until Mrebedu, many de bedu, yes, house Yemre wa Haitia, until Mrebedu, Ubeko, who says, plot to be that baby, and a young country. And so we do an amount of Casafufro, Ober Kaiwo, so your man can change any time. But you cannot control the voice you speak. You cannot pick a language yourself. 1 million cues, spams, they also called joining B. Now say, oh, but you will call Saturn. So what I say, it is a paper penalty, and it is Shadi, Mitimunia meeting year. And yes, and ye catch nobody say, Mumna, I junior, and so now work corrupted. What I say, the engine oil, a diesel engine oil could go petrol engine into a corrupted, and I who say Mumna corrupted. Jai we Ujaya before we who say yes. Can't say much because you are no more thinking normal like a normal human being. What I say, we say we are thinking normal, but we are not. We are shedding across Ghana. Yeah, Mumbisi Bisamo. When you be never catch them. Ghana general election 2020, NPP defeated. They got 42. Election Yenyan 2020, then NPP nya 42. 4 plus 2 is 6. And we defeat. Matro says 6 na nye dia. And it's Bruni 6A and you defeat. And so you can hear 6A in Sia. Some say support in senior. And no see in Sia. And 2020, 2 plus 2 by 4. And Tomo de Mahama ba. What I say, Mahama about 2020. Mahama last hope to Rwanda. There was some Mahama be focus be my abede. And yes, after 2020, no, Ghana will not be sweet. Ghana will be bitter. Some parts of Ghana will be bitter. Because we already have 16 regions. 1 plus 6 by my 7. Serpent knowledge. And he say, Felix has serpent knowledge now. It was a trap plot about could be a baby. Long we have a foul by force. What I say? You 42, 300 and more. Unya 58. 5 plus 8 by more 13. What I say? 1 plus 3 by more 4. Muhammad Janoma foundation. Or Bible represent your foundation. And it went to Muhammad 4. What I say, and yes, or no one say, I know Mahama, but yes, so very sir. And Uncle almost more powerful in the Casabi Ginamoa, among country beginning. What I say, no, so or target your spiritual connection. Bruni doesn't is not after your BBAO. What I say, only after we fear, we self fear, or bet Miss the same way. Who cannot even on no ye. The opposite to be on no ye. What else or your first lens or your alien or your legal alien, yes. Because of recognition. What I say, and Boni is not after those things. Boni is after your spiritual connection, baby more sabas as you or seno. What I say, na ya seno shaneshi. What I say, and the reincarnation rune, you are not if you lead through the Casana, Bunashi Shama, into Mahaman Muntunifo. Me new roots now, I will not mean to mean Tahank Bubu within cabin Trawomo. But I know the roots, meaning say Abedan, a firmament. What I say, meaning say Abedan, equality. What I say, into a duwa, minimum Hamabeka Kushia, I will be big falcon. What I say, you never call kingdom ho. What I say, and Sinibiana Okano Kribi, I was say, or Catcherena one country. A dua Sikabia Bruni Tramo be and Bruni saw that dao. What I say, it's not about the money. Your spiritual tax is very, very important. As I call maybe you. You cannot speak to anybody. And yes, I can't papa no more. Was saying come to me cat be train. Yama minimum way saying come to me cat be train. But they pick up a different language. And think of being so what my minimum wa no more appear for, but they cannot appear to them. I saw this uncle for no on this uncle for a cacasabaco. And some young cocoa or Mishambeka Casabako. Na onso na ono teno bunya konya kan bibia kire so umame ba ne daimu ebe kan si nisa e kire no what I say enu ntomo de mahame ba 2020 ihe kasa mami wonso mun kan kire no mun tunefo kasa bia bobo ne ho nyina no me ka kire se bonus after your spiritual connection wa ma otumi bi odwa kasa bia da wonso nya kire se wa ma otumi wa pick up foundation ama otumi I was say utimi de kan bi kire Ghana for utimi de jiji Ghana si ho na wanye what I say enu nti emri ba ogun say yes umre wasase susa what I say wosenka mami emisu ne wosenka metimi kan ho asem but I know the tax ahead, I know the spiritual connection ahead. Minimum rules no da homa abede no. What you say? Say unso untimi ma because unim rules bi a emo sa courage no, courage no to come out. But I have seen that me hu sa rules no. What you say? Ono ko nya hu sa rules nanka obeye the right thing. Enti mun kasa nkyere no. Emridu akasa no mo de be fa no ho. What you say? Omo force no, omo de kasa and be fa no. And e was say the odi kasa no so sa no. E was say du ho a sa kasa no so no. Odi so sa. Enti mun kasa nkyere no. We have 5 levels of spiritual growth. Because any money be across your Facebook, no. I am winning now on every be. What I say, who is a picture sekeke. What I say, spiritual, any economical, any developmental, a spiritual. So this is how our spiritual leaders dress, and they say dead. So if you are following a spiritual leader and he's dressing and representing you in this form, they are telling you he is dead. So you are equally dead. You see them, you know they are putting you into sleep. You know they are chasing knowledge. What you say? Yes, they are fully awake, conscious. It be the kodi cast away later. Conscious, no conscious way. It be the kodi tree. What you say? When some the back kasa tremo. What you say? And funny baby awo. Uti baby anu bi mu wo kakra. Uti me yu mpabwa. Anat me ma uchre utos no. There be a hand he's no uji maneka form. What I say, Nan Sabia onomono, and say Chibin Ashan way, no shake a crag form. And didn't you tell her side and say, or the need be ama homo or cassa, a wakasanim. A wakasim much less or the needy amao, miti aquinaso, nemo ebia, jimapai, ebia, ye say, or the Cassabia counting or to honor, and can the writing is a simple sorry, but a do connection beer, what's now an hour macasano. I explain natural, and I explain now what I say. And to win so much, I will be decoded a day later. What I say, we manage fire mre. If I be some day each we skates, and I almost saw Hosiano. A day we in a Ghana for only who say yen a year day we. What I say, and I'm the come modernize, you know, and I'm to road so. What has no with the bin no musno so. And so now we gun and you won't be brony no go home sad and ye. Italian or modernize the non family no new sewer. We street to area out the grano. Minoso I deal with cram, and so to from a bit me of our Nipa of our just watch out. We street to Sukran to modernize our than a brewer. Obey a dang no which you also. Yes, a casa, Nanya Sika, Nayan Sevisika, Nan says say streets. Nan 20 million will be introduced around our streets to Sabrophone. We deserve this. I know what I'm saying. And the casa be Jihusika, your rules are not good. Your rules will not benefit you because some languages are there that is forbidden in your life. But what you to? Would it be cultural within? What you say? When you are on mission, your what I say, and athletics somewhere abroad in Yunana, Bruchin Yunano. Bibinin Kanwa, it doesn't go well. Bibinin Kanwa, and yet fair, and yet there, and Tiamonche, a baby in Yana before Kanwa. What I say, Omobe winning, I'm by need diagro, growing in an omoda, Adan I answer Ghana for Yentimi and Yama way be. Ada Yentimi and Yama way be, and Uncle Fonya Bunkuni, Mujanam, no Casino, Moye, you grow, no Yentimi and Yama way be. I'm the Cassavia Shaya, Yentimi. Wow, Shami, I do your Cassie. You can't put to fast a problem. What do I say? And it's my money now, Abra from Mother Diache. Ubia some person be cano corner down a train, and Ubia de a dream. What I say? And Sisia de Besek Chamose, the Abba Junior Hubia, then it is telling you about our language. What I say? It is a problem. And you we have enough money. You try our better, we have enough money to create games. Don't go school. Don't go waste your time. Or to be on me, be our mammy who ya not the work academy. Na could train no polish show. Na if you could face up before near John Muscadiaba. I just say, Henia Sanji John Muscadiaba, Munchis can never be a Jediaba. What I say about Skibi Casabi Jimuska, so they can't implement these games in Ghana. What I say, and yes, Anka, it was a woman in Anka, they go to academies. You have more games for her, you only be or I am colony in an. What I say, but we can't do that because Casabi Jimuska. What I say, when you see in Ashanti youth give Mahama 48 hours to apologize to Otumfuo for comment me. Then you who they are quiet to their quasi 48 hours. 4 plus 8 be more 12. 1 plus 1 more 3. I'm be farm Mahama biom. And a region said the baby Abubakar no when you makachram your 16 ranges of Ghana. We may be a no money with your muyo. Mamu says be omuyo henny. And also oye Mahama nintino. Can be. What I say, they may not even know what we are saying. Because this is before colonization. This is our ancestral this time a Bible no omo yes ancestry no sa kasana yes ancestry no. That's language no na me no ka ho asem no. I'm not joking. Enya gro na medi. What I say, me papa ni minim se me papa no me na abede da yeso. Minim se me papa ni minim ni na me de ni de ma wo as me papa no. But I was me kind of crutcher wo mo. Yen kasa. What I say, enti ntakwase mi ba because wa ombejina ho no mu de acheche asase no o mama 16 regions me sa ka bim 16 regions me de me kana me kwa me nim sa me kana me koye what I say ombe ba beto me atase mo so be kwa me kwa goto mo edu a unhye ne ma we ho wo mu jate bi o hyehye good one won timi nwane da bi edu a unhye ne ma we what I say Ghana for comedy Yesika, ye nyuma. But yensu you to know ye be nyuma maya, ye be vina mono dodo. What you say, ye best say dear. It is somebody your moshe. What you say? That is the secret that is holding the word. That is not making Africa to grow. Yes, say dear, ye via body. What you say? The better to say what say via body, and after never be young one dear. Because China need him dear. What you say? Intuition now. Kigami. He's advising the youth. He's meeting the youth more. Osha Kigami or Shesha youth because we go focus be so chire youth na se. E so experience akasa na chire youth no. Na omudi so sana kasa no so etie. What you say? Intention ensu kasa. Yesu kasa na fire kasa. Me see there will be enough money. Still you dress like this and still people will not go hungry. What you say? That is when you give dominance, free dominance to your people. What you say? And so Ghana, you see, Ubi Yusuf 11 Kana, Yencho. You never heard the entire Yusuf 11 I said, a casa kitchen and that's it. What you say? Father, don't let anyone around John Mahama who intends grabbing, chopping, see December 2020. What you say? Intend, grabbing, chopping. Kasanesa, no man said that too. They know say I was a Mahama ba. They said I may capture one. They know Mahama is coming, and I may capture say Mahama is coming 2020. What I say? Mun can't no me fire kasa. No be an tono. They will still have money. Don't leaders. Enti yene be hwe wiase. Enti scan mu se mu be wo mo mu kas mu betwi mo. But yen so na citizens no. Se bi obi pe kiape kanto krana se wo so brew. Wo so no so. At least on timi twi mu V8 ni bia. Mu de kiape kanto krana. Onje krana mu titi mu nyesa enima no tete ho. Yenim sa enima nyina kasa bi na ma ntimi nyesa enima ni nyina. We know. Timosi say kasa no in Rwanda for babetwi brand new cars. Rwanda citizens in Via say for babetwi brand new car. You better tell Muga say him there kana. She Obinim is powerful man of God. He is responsible for my baby. Your castle is responsible amu the castle play games wa. We na see utu kasase na utu kasase no. Utu act biasia. This is what it means. What I say, they are just playing around this word. Responsible. If they say somebody is responsible, when I look after you, I'm still responsible. It doesn't mean I sleep with you to give birth. That means I'm responsible for your baby. They know and we believe in Ghana that prophets pray for people to give birth. We believe in Ghana that they are men of God who do wonders for people to give birth without sex. So if Obinim is responsible, it does not mean he slept with Vivian J to become pregnant for the baby. No, that is not what it means. But you now be thinking, hey, what you say, it becomes topic in the town. What I say. So that moment you have to think about your creator. You are using that moment to disconnect yourself. What I say. That's why when we say mind games, this is one of it's a kasa, but you don't know. You just read it and make your conclusion. Then you are just wasting time on it. Responsible is because this man is a man of God. So they believe he can make powers. And we believe him. Ghana people believe him that he can do it. That's why Vivian J is telling you that yes, he's responsible. What I say. Kigami wants South Africa expelled from AU. What I say? Paul Kagame wants South Africa expelled from AU over xenophobia. Enka when free sakasa na se the kasa muhu wa he we nyina we nye a we what I say s yenka ne sa we enti when free sa English alphabet we say anka ontimi nkoka sa asem no. If you are part of the Unity Union, African Union, South Africa, you are part of Unity and you allow xenophobia to happen or to go on in your country, then what should happen to you? Expel you. Njonu so afi bit me ay bold why bema afi bema na waye na no bi na me so maye na me te ha no why bold afi timi kasa onim se kasa bi da obi kuna onfa ho obekwa sa aba oye bold obesan beta tawo be ka kire mu na enu bi no nim what you say enti sua de enti na o kan sa asem no because South Africa belongs to the AU no enti na o kan sa asem no se omu yi omu enfrim because of xenophobia act no. Yaba bisu akali unso hade kakra ensem bia dara ho no na esua ho hade kakra en waste time on sisia mesim ba beche mu kase bi this man shows his flag and cops could not touch this unarmed black man. What you say omo tete ebibifo no odi bibia kire broni ni ntimi nya ne hwe mesim media me man be kire mu hwe mu fa hwe nkire mu me ba be kire mu kase bi am be ka kire brofo no Mwambe who say yes, Kasa wutumi. We crowd wa trauma de. Why any unfla. Enta say wo si Ghana. Mwambe who say me nam Ghana. Mi phobia ona me nemu. Mi de meka ne nemu. Me pia bontin. Mi nim dem be pia bontin o mo mbe me. But why we me you don't even know. And ask yourself, me say Kasa na park we video. Kasa park we nim ne chire na nye cars ketwa police cars nkwan we nkwan ho nti. Omuntimi meno. She. Unim de okachire omo. Unim de ochere wo mo she Obasi Duncan Road auto accident claims 2 lives injured. Sisi enya auto accident wa Ghana auto na se car na nkasa na eko auto automatic 2 the woman yasishia na eshi yansisa ye kasa na ye mambenya kasa bi wa system no mo bi nkofofole auto obi na shechiri. What you say? Me nim ne she o shechiri no bi ne shechiri. What you say? Wa fatu. Tu ni sa body enti odise so fa wo mu. Mete ho ase. What you say? Enti bia na akoye wo. What you say? Enti twemfri modana mo ho. Na yensa kasa no bia wonto no. Enema bi se na Ghana for yeta ahye enso na yenti ase. What you say? We munyo mjinjina kasa so. What I say, pay my contractors, contractors, educated contractors amamu. What I say, and into mujina kasa. Woman, any Muslim, any friends, and sorry, mano, any sikabina, any correction being a moment school. They have their own source. What I say, and to Mukasa Krana, still, their cost one, their cost in Yakasa. What I say, Reverend or friend who Reverend. Yentro vinwa yentro reverend kasebidi da ha yentro kasebidi da ha bebribi ya yentro eji enwuske we see a time. What you say see yentro kasawe wa ha. What you say si hade Christian pastors bless abortion clinic afino mo person mo na dey we back Ghana. What you say already we had that but omunye bold to come out afino person mo dey back out. They are killing abortion babies. Just because I'm for now, babies no mugusa efuru no. Moja no bia kom so a omoba outa. Before mo brambe nyin so nye so mo maame no. Moja na mo mbewie no akokọ mbewie gu omuyemu no. Enya asem ketwa. Ena Ghana ye blessing clinics. What you say? Next our clinics no so alongside no more abortions. What you say? We donate clinics and then no more Ghana. Omo nim so much say kase bia maya. Any ndudru bia maya. Ekose abortions they know. And more bantina, that means we are using them. So they know more is coming. In KB maybe more, then they know we stop using them. I be that. Talk for me Casanama. What I say? Robert F. Kennedy Jr. The government is covering up vaccine deaths. Ghana for more men now necessary Casano. Yene believing in vaccines, yene vaccination. Vaccination so you decode kasa vaccination ukoshe de kan ya na se de sua fa ho you understand what I say ye na tro vaccines enti hwe ni yi What you say? A banso yana and I'm fan for Facebook. What I say? Na go straight to the grounds. Ono mo so no nim de ekoso. Nti na ye say sesen kasa. No be a benefit no be a hotono. What I say? Planned Parenthood killed 3 plus 2 killed 321,000. With the moon figures in the calculate 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 be 5, 5 plus 1 be 6, 6 plus 3 be 9, 9 plus 8 be 17, 17 plus 4 be 21. What I say? 17 plus 4 be 21. 2 plus 1 be 3. A Freemason for agenda. They are free mama's son. What I say? Planned Parenthood. Planned. Yeah, family planning. What I say? Ewa Ghana. Abortion in a can Planned Parenthood. A can you not count? What I say? Son of person chro. Into your agenda. What I say? Babies last year. What I say? Into ya now you call friends hospitals na. You details na their day na your record. You be who you know. Yes, I'm casting a issue, so they know what is going on. You didn't have internet, so computers. I'm not here. To my major report to Krana, they have internet. They go into it, they get records. What I say, because they are qualified and legal aliens. What I say, the figures down just say, your more agenda. What I say, scooters 4-year-old black boy to cut long hair or wear a dress on first day. 4 plus 1. She figures and important. Remember 5. I'm going to be a physical. I want to so in the 4 plus 1 more 5. The foundation, you and the foundation. I can't catch now your bar, but much of boy. What I say, foundation, be so your foundation. You are at your foundation. And found this when you know your hand, we have you are at your foundation. And found this and then you are at your foundation. What I say, first, once you are body. What I say, or your body. What I say, Jesus not coming back by the look of it admits Vatican. We kasa na mbebe troke ke dinche ya mukeka kasa ngwa sasemo no kasa no yenchro vin yenchro a yenchusi kasa de doso enti na to na omde bre no nyina doso sa no kasa na mujinijina so na doso. What I say enti na mbebe chre wadi wi kasa no de yenchro no mujina so yes ana ti kasa we free system we ma be kasa yenchro bia. What I say because we anko chre kasa sa kasa no akwa ko hu wi. African countries still pay over 500 billion as colonial tax to France each year. What I say? African countries to France. Let us say France for Ediomokasebia Momo, Omudi Bu Omumai, Omudi develop your Mumai. So you have to pay. Also, maybe I make a tremor say that's the same way Rwanda to have to pay some money to the government at the end of every year. No, sir, and I pim one and same thing. I make you answer Ababi pim. What I say, into French countries now, African, they also pay this amount of money. 5 and so a physical. What I say, because I know you are using it on your land. Also, you know, a physical creature. What I say, $, serpent knowledge, any the tree of life. What I say, it is scaled into which any Kasana African countries, French language in African countries, and no scan of which you are. In Tiansu Ghana, you fire the interest can be a have a GAD, no much to scare my every year. In Tiamuka Toyo Craman Abroso, yet dear crowd 19. What I say, yet dear crowd 19, think of Baby Buruburu yet. I could develop on my mind. What I say, in the African countries, nature and wishing and Ghana fire Casa in near Abedia, on Babaji, near Jijo Musca. What I say, because Casa no could see your mind, your brain and Sakai. What I say. So you be share you to know not the only rules involved no ya can be actual mediator. What I say and you mujana men say about the asa. That is all. And you mujana meet and we be asa. Ghana doctors should prove evangelists are they wrong and stop muff talk. Ghana doctors cannot prove what I say. They cannot prove where are they actually. They cannot prove it because it is natural. What I say, and a woman take with doctors, they tore the dog. Last minute to me page so. What I say, to call around some the tore. What I say, we need a dog, or manga sasa, and to pledge no pledge, and manga sasa be or pledge to it. Our Montiasie. What I say, and you could do, we are near chalk, said away for Fully Casa and Casa. What I say, so they cannot prove they can only do more of talk, but they cannot prove. Nka ade be some evidence nka obenye bi aba because we na throw da ho either of but proof no do onye bi ma pi protocol a roof protocol roof also na die so no a protocol roof what I say who be so you cannot hide anything under this until proof what I say omuntimi proof. Development doesn't reach rural areas here in Ghana, but ballot boxes reach. Edem ne kansa asem no. Unkra ukasa. Ebe den na obu man. Ebe den na development na open edu baabi. Wa bra unim se sike bi da ban mu a ana kasa bi da ban mu a eji hu sika. Me de bre mu na me de twoma adwa koso se ye kasa na be masa de nyina no esuetwa. What I say? What I say? After you do so, Ghana police to arrest any boy holding iPhone 11 from now till December. From now till December 11. Me say kasa iPhone yentra iWay. Enti mo hwe iPhone ba Ghana, mo hwe de be ye YouTube no, especially ye man no. What I say, only be control yen. And iPhone 11 no, and last grade. Omo yema special people omunim no kribi 1+1 abema 2 broni 2 at the woman Ghana yen qualified to use this phone. What you say obi ani ho wa qualify to use this phone, not even any boy no kra no enyo no pe yen penyi phone nyina nobody is qualified to use this phone, but we no nim the community no e was some gina. What you say e was nyema we nyina kire brofo no say and the omo be kan no omo order police no they are doing that. It's the internet and police phone, they don't even know the secret behind what we are telling you. Because 1+1 2. Two say the iPhone brand and all for people who know the secret. What you say? People who know the secret. What you say? Conform we are connected. We need the ecoso. Penny force because of Casaway that's way. And at December 12 months, 1+2 3. Ayomo mo yes phone no degree no 3rd degree. What I say Freemason bia broni bia Freemason ni kan hunu say broni bia Freemason nti ka Freemason ni Ghana ni nti me ba me ka kire mo say Ghana fo munye Freemason fo mame me te kasa na sentini ana ma ka kire mo say me de Ghana fo munye Freemason fo munye Illuminati fo Illuminati so ya L broni amama ya L because enam na ma wi nyina ama nyina ya L ena yesu na tro I yenye nyema Freemason for ye nti broni bia Freemason because we dey broni ne ye na shfatu bibi ne ye. What you say wan kasa wo kan bi nti bia no ma hu mu we mnya be de dam so we mi nsuro mo ba no mu famia mi mfam hu me ba be kire mo say omo no mo ye. That is the connection I have kasa na metia say no. That's why I'm telling you nso ma woni na ho. What I say they don't even know what they are doing. What I say enunti kasa na da kasa we didn't mbeka sa asem no kire say Ghana police to arrest any boy holding iPhone 11 because of phone 11 type no December mo na mo ye na mo control. What I say 2 nso plus 3 na wonya wa ha no ebe ma 5 enunto mo pe bibia gina so aye physical on the youth. What I say mo say Ghana for we are not giving up. Eba biana ibe yusubi eba biana ibe tobi na nka mo hye kasa scam na to no yemfa nko gina ye nana so na yemfa nko gina ye papa bi so won so na mbese di gina etinka penyi fo kwese nka mutata echi na ejiji omo ho nyema aso ya na mu gina se enwo se ejiji omo ho nyema na kasa na mo de what is the meaning not to fraudster na say anything scam na say anything etinka sa ye ya yuto no ye ya ho no yisu against wo mu a na e wo se omo hu se no enkofu iri omo smart nje se be stop ye. What you say nka woto no ade na mo mane ba Ghana ade na shipping center no mo konko chi wo mo enyo mo de ba ye enum no bedu ye no mo de ma wo se yisu afi ade na wo a wo yisu no e wo se ye chiw. What you say unya free dominance me kai wo uni free dominance because broni be no e be ka tell say the police in China for using iPhone 11 because broni no connected our identities Ghana ni bia no we mu nyina mu ni identities bia nyina me ka hu bi yenu police fo ka hu bi empenifo nyina ya sofo nyina ka hu bi ni identities enti enam hasisi an it's like when we die that is all. But once we did say you have something we call reincarnation, we did say you have something we call eternal. So what is fulfilling that eternal for you? What I say me and Ghana for? What is fulfilling that eternal for you? And to cast a down one, this young one, Tibiano, or someone who say you can be a child. Now, so we need a home. Now, so who say in your casa. What I say? Ye casa, ultimate. What I say? Then ultimate iPhone 11. Now I can't say police chill because I using iPhone 11. We say cast in the witchery, and I want to say. And tell you now. And two issue cast now or Abedibia. Nobody says anyone going in Amkoya brain. What I say, Omonim say we deserve it, we want it. Omonim. Before because it's no Omo say before we cast much road, you know. I was on Anticon if you're not gonna for you used to phones, we don't even have it. What I say, I was saying to me, I said to me, Nantico baby, I don't want to say in your phone. And a phone so you won't say being young, when Mushi and Inasu. And to me, we do our Kaya and Colabrimuno, Yemidiana, I said, young was soon, a chance in so nearly as soon at 18 when I say, I'm going to be Bobby different and what I say, we say, anyway, when I start try to say, yeah, on our own. So you just have to go and polish all those things and bring it. After when they blow off and almost I need the actually. And I can't say, I first say, on some more dear qua. What I say, you will be at any percent you because oh no, your spiritual connection. And found phone, I used to phone with my baby, a break Ghana for what I say. But when you have spiritual connection, we are frustrated. For you, so we should plan. Oh, but you have a quack or tongue, swap it. Now, send with me a Korean Mujan view. What I say, Nina country move frustrating. Kenya Casa Ghana for. Minion me here, Casa. That because the word dream across on Facebook could be on a Casa in the cream. The unique Casa in film nothing worse. What I say, and then the sure say a Casa will be maybe Messia. Now, so new be working Biatreno, and you're going to Hedi. You may tell Abbe de Biasi. Almost a minute trauma say. Yes, so little between Ghana for what was Femi Biano, Ube Umre between Ube to say ancestor. But one mamma can be one mamma connect to him, and to corner language be a song could be generous of the Frauno. Ultimate fan for what I say, and to Nippon goons you and also goons. I was all bored, dear. Emma command. Said, Ebiana Simmersi. Baby young or sending no young, I saw call Marco can be channel, or saw Conaco Unifis at Tibin, and some people knew and also maybe they were. I was sending soul in the spirit and I back, never you free side, their morning. What I say, but you don't get that privilege again. You need to 2 minutes. Bibinibian was as I was out 2 minutes because Uguna will not come back again. Who was I would the Wajikasa tomorrow? Udu Okana Sakasana or Sokokano. You cannot speak it there. What has to mean because Obano so ban one facas and Bian, and Ticasa to say ABC no Becca Veteran and Becano. Say, so Yapaya and Munim, and to call who could take Casa Frafi. In Sakasana Hotel, and so what they translating Monesa or Banumutima Samamo. Because of many country and I mean, Nipa, now we die, I mean to know Casay. What I say, me goons, you let me catch a board, the same person cast and be semi papa in a way you die, baby, and a pin aqua, some Casacha Papa will go. Now, so God let me control because of what the penalty Sakasana no, it's my control act from Naiduma. Because the accounts, the act ancestors, and the ABI happen my own ye. And tell me, baby, you said Ghana for challenge, Ghana for emergency games, and to me, what country and now Mrs. Spiritual sickness by hitting Ghana. Who are the Bia baby Mujanamiano, or who found, and how far we are, I don't care. May they be delivered the same deliver mouth. What I said, the animals who deserve to live, they deserve to survive. They are just like us. There will be our bad, there will be a one man in a be, we are Beman so in a maybe. What I say, and it's meaning I'm gonna for moving corner, moving kind, no more so much as I say, yea, you to know. To sell one as a Siana, President and air gather youth in Siciana. Ghana, one air gather youth, I can be busy at train. Who is telling us what we have to do, and maybe we're buying in a victim or hacker. You become an ancestor, but nobody can call you. You cannot, baby, have a call plan, or skin up a back of an plan. Also, daily life, so how to live in fear. How can I fear? No, we are not living in fear. There's something I can say, you will not live in fear. But I want person who can live in fear. What I say, who can live the real hide and seek life? When you have to come and find something, then the kings and queens are hunting for you. Who can say that from? Because I can be telling you that if you are Mahama, Cossa TV, so also come my own team in Cotia Bribe, a whole in Voti. What I say, meaning Sarusin down, and it's a better than in Aquate. And I will Mojana, my own test animal, I say, we Mojana, better than you do also. What I say, because only until 70 cents major animal in a can be travel. So know your spiritual connection, know your spiritual status. What I say. enti me do me see am kasa no tentem sometimes so no me di ka catch myself so kasa no bem na mutimi tin yema say what I say me bana me dwen time no be bra bo say nsem enkosi what I say enti du baby o say kasa no etimi kan fiasem na etimi kan yi de nyina eti ase enti unu police ni unu soja ni a endu ho no catch no ma me omro nyina yesua ho ade and nobody's above the law. Me and me are connected to Kasa na Kasa. I'm not above the Kasa. And it's a campaign for you in my church from Mudia and can they will not escape their work from me. What I say, come escape because Kasa no feeling me, but Kasa say equality. What I say, me fan chiro, me chiro down on the jay, one jay now we're coming there, never some of the Kasa reflecting. Sana Kasa net, and that Bible Nuna, nay Sanchez, and a crony near one a Bible Nuna, nay Kasa, and your money, a Kasa sanity. What I say, yes, and sanity. And to force almost only public working to Indiana, Sakasan also. What I say, Sabed and the Bibinibias all across the world, Sabed and also, and I am mother tongue. And Tigana for no being counsel. Now, on your video now, would be a newbie. Also, man, and Metibia, no inviting. What I say, oh, my friend, go and listen to this, our brother. Oh, name famous, I'm saving you, and you should save somebody. Media minimum, my cousin doesn't mean your female. Because I'm the fame, I knew the American already know they were inviting me to give me fame and money. But Abedon, they cannot pay for it, too expensive. I'm a tower bed that me assures and me means of a credit bill. Baby, I'm to be a mamma. One should every day be a month, baby, me would be a me Philippines, be a I will hate life. Minim skins and the what I say, and to Kibichu be still a make Kibichu, and yes, I can do musica. In private church, we have a home, we see a Menocase, and Kawati, these are some business may be Pimo Ghana. In private jet, me parky be. And some of the church is awakening messages, is awakening West, Casabi language is via Median, and they know what I'm saying. And if I have to charge them for any language, I tell you, can they pay me? What I said, they will do it. Some of them scan the trauma, I'm a German or Chronica, but I don't want that. I know my spiritual tax.